So the last tense, that is the fourth subdivision under future tense, is future perfect continuous tense. So now again it is the combination of perfection plus continuity, but in the near future. Means the work which is still continuing and will gain perfection in the near future. This is known as future perfect continuous tense. So you have to use for perfection shall have or will have. For continuity you have to use with first form of the verb ing. So it will become shall have been. You have to use the word been in order to join shall have or will have with first form of the verb ing. You have to use this word been. For example, I shall have been jumping. You will have been jumping. For negative, not is used. I will not have been jumping. I shall not have been jumping. You will not have been jumping. Similarly, for interrogative, they are going to begin with the helping verbs only. Shall we have been jumping? Will they have been jumping? And for negative interrogative, it will be shall we not have been jumping? Will they not have been jumping? So again, I would like to tell you that future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action as being in progress over a period of time that will end in future. For example, by next December, we shall have been exploring the Alps for 6 years.